program where we have Vassar students from an education class come into the second grade classrooms and teach the students about science and how to do an experiment.
Today we're going to practice being scientists. One of the most important things that scientists do is they make observations. We're gonna give you a mystery object, and we're going to make some observations using our five senses.
And you're going to be able to draw your object, and then you're going to find some noticings, wonderings, and some things to remind you of.
That's one of the most important parts of being a scientist, is asking lots of questions.
The Exploring Science program has been operating in some capacity since like the 1980s, and at first it was just about bringing students from the general area to the preserve, which is our 500-acre nature preserve, 7 miles of trails. But we, since COVID, have expanded it to really focus on the Poughkeepsie City School District and help address like just early science education. It's something that sometimes doesn't get as much attention in the early grades as reading or math, and so we just want to help them have that foundation for science.
Today we're going to make predictions, but we're not going to change the math way back. So, the second thing we're going to do is we're going to observe and record. And all experiments have a central question. So our main question that we're asking today is how much does the snail move on different surfaces?
I want you to be thinking about where snails live in the wild, and maybe how some of these different surfaces compare to where snails actually live. Does that sound good? You can vote which option that you think is going to happen before it happens. So we have the snail will not move at all, the snail will move a little, or the snail will move a lot.
Looks like it's moving a lot.
Oh, what's that? You look like
I think that's a food.
Does someone want to share something that they predicted for the rocks? The top? Yes, you want to say? What did you think was going to happen? Awesome, so we thought it was going to move a little, and then it did move a little. So was your prediction correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct, awesome.
We also are really just passionate about getting the kids outdoors. There's a ton of benefits to going outside. They have better attention span, better health outcomes, and all sorts of things. And so we want to make sure that the students in Poughkeepsie are aware of the outdoor resources available to them, like the preserve and other places. In a month, in springtime, we will have the students come for a field trip to the Vassar Preserve. And on that trip, they'll get to use these science skills that they learn to explore different habitats, meet different animals, and have a good time.